Today, we will learn 20 vegetable names. Let's start! Look! This is a carrot. Carrots are good for your eyes. Look! A girl is washing carrots. Look! This is a tomato. Tomatoes are red and juicy. Look! A man is buying tomatoes. Look! This is a potato. Potatoes are very tasty. Look! A man is selling potatoes. Look! This is an onion. Onions have a strong smell. Look! A woman is cutting onions. Look! This is garlic. Garlic is good for your health. Look! A woman is peeling garlic. Look! This is corn. Corn is sweet and tasty. Look! A woman is picking corn. Look! This is spinach. Spinach is very healthy. Look! A woman is picking spinach. Look! These are peas. Peas are small and green. Look! A woman is removing peas. Look! This is a cabbage. Cabbage is leafy and green. Look! A man is picking a cabbage. Look! This is broccoli. Broccoli is very healthy. Look! A man is washing broccoli. Look! This is a cucumber. Cucumbers are fresh and cool. Look! A woman is cutting a cucumber. Look! This is a brinjal. Brinjals are soft and shiny. Look! A man is selling brinjals. Look! This is capsicum. Capsicum comes in many colors. Look! A man is selling capsicum. Look! This is ginger. Ginger is spicy and healthy. Look! A man is peeling ginger. Look! This is a radish. Radishes are crunchy. Look! A woman is washing radishes. Look! This is a pumpkin. Pumpkins are big and orange. Look! A woman is cutting a pumpkin. Look! This is cauliflower. Cauliflower is white and healthy. Look! A woman is picking cauliflower. Look! This is ladyfinger. Ladyfinger is green and soft. Look! A woman is picking ladyfinger. Look! This is a turnip. Turnips are healthy vegetables. Look! A man is picking turnips. Look! This is beetroot. Beetroot is red and sweet. Look! A woman is washing beetroot. Great job, kids! Now you know 20 vegetables. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!